Bonjour. If you're expecting me to start with the word bonjour, no, that's not how I designed this course. I think learning vocabulary from meet and greet and then learning situational words is a good start. But that's not the most effective way to start the whole process of learning a complete language. Don't worry, I'll teach bonjour and all other words, but not just now. We'll start with bon. Bon. It means good in English. In this video, you learn 6 new words and make 8 sentences with them. Our first word is bon. Bon. It means good in English. Say. Say. It means it is. So, how would you say it is good? Say bon. Say bon. So far, you have learned 2 words, bon and say, and you have made 1 sentence using them. Let's learn a new word. Fantastique. Fantastique. It means fantastic. So how would you say it is fantastic in French? Say fantastique. Say fantastique. Great, you have learned 3 words and made 2 sentences already. Okay, let's learn a new word now. Absolument. Absolument. It means absolutely. So how do you say it is absolutely fantastic in French? C'est absolument fantastique. C'est absolument fantastique. It is absolutely fantastic. Isn't French easy? Here is another word. Easy. Easy. It means here. Can you guess the sentences I'm going to make next? How would you say it is here? C'est ici. C'est ici. And how would you say it is good here? C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. How about it is fantastic here? C'est fantastique ici. C'est fantastique ici. It is fantastic here. How about it is absolutely fantastic here? C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Awesome, you have come a long way. Let's end this video with one more new word. Très. Très. It means very in English. So how would you say it is very good? C'est très bon. C'est très bon. Congratulations. You now know 6 French words and you just made 8 sentences with them. That's a great start. Please take notes. Notes help us activate our brain and help us retain words in our memory for a long period. Use this format to write anything you learn. If you don't want to take the hassle of creating this format, it's fine. I have created an online version for you. Just click the link from the description and practice there. The pronunciation you see is how I used to write for myself. It's okay if you're comfortable with something different. Feel free to write it as it would be helpful for you. In the next video, you'll learn the word ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. It means it isn't. How many sentences can you already make using this word in French now?